Mount Etna eruption. The May 2023 volcano explained where it was, and the last eruption when Sicily was covered in ash. Mount Etna's eruptions could have implications for air travel and the operation of nearby airports due to the release of gases and volcanic ash, which is composed of finely ground particles of rock and glass. This ash can cause severe damage to aircraft engines, as the particles can melt inside the engine and cause engine damage. Additionally, ash can impair visibility, interfere with aircraft systems and damage surfaces, such as windows and sensors. Nearby airports could also be directly affected by the volcanic ashfall, which can accumulate on runways, taxiways, and other airport infrastructure, requiring thorough cleaning and safety checks before normal operations can resume. INGV reports that the past few days have seen an increase in tremor activity, according to monitoring data. The Italian Civil Protection Agency had warned on Thursday that sudden variations in Etna's activity could occur due to increased volcanic activity. Mount Etna is located on the east coast of the Italian island of Sicily and is one of the most famous and active volcanoes in the world. It has a long history of frequent eruptions dating back thousands of years and has been documented since ancient times. Etna eruptions can vary in intensity, ranging from relatively mild emissions of ash and steam to more explosive eruptions with ejected lava flows. Eruptions on Mount Etna can occur many times a year or even many times a month. Mount Etna's volcanic activity is closely monitored by scientists and has been designated a volcano of the decade, one of 16 deemed worthy of special study and research because of its active and potentially dangerous nature by the United Nations. Mount Etna's volcanic activity has shaped the surrounding landscape and influenced the region's culture and history. Fertile volcanic soils have supported agriculture, particularly vineyards and orchards, and volcanic ash has contributed to soil fertility. The eruption of Mount Etna also attracts tourists who are looking for a unique and amazing experience. While this can have positive economic impacts, it also brings challenges in managing the influx of visitors and ensuring their safety during an eruption. The volcano's last significant eruption occurred in early 2021 and lasted several weeks. These eruptions are notable for their intensity and the creation of fountains of lava and volcanic plumes that can reach several kilometers in height. The eruption also produced a lava flow that flowed down the southeastern side of the volcano. Luckily, there were no fatalities or serious injuries. One of the most destructive and significant eruptions of Mount Etna in recent history occurred in 1669. This eruption, known as eruption of 1669, lasted for several months and caused significant damage to the surroundings. During the eruption, the lava flow reached the city of Catania, destroying many towns and villages in its path. Currently, Mount Etna is closely monitored by volcanologists. And authorities usually take steps to ensure the safety of residents and visitors in the vicinity when an eruption occurs. Volcano monitoring systems and early warning mechanisms are in place to detect signs of volcanic activity and alert relevant authorities and the public. Efforts are being made to keep the public informed about ongoing volcanic activity, and local authorities are working closely with volcanologists to assess the situation and take necessary precautions.